Hello YouTube, what's up? Today is July 27th, 2012, and I've had like 3 hours of sleep today. It is like 6 p.m. So today has been a weird day. I woke up at like 9 a.m. and I have not gone to bed yet. But I guess around 1 p.m. or so it started randomly storming here, and so I don't know why, but I decided to make a video. At the time, I had not eaten like any food, and I was just pretty, I don't know, I guess retarded. But basically I went out and filmed a video kinda in the rain and was like, hey, I haven't gone to bed yet, and woo, yeah, so it's kinda weird. But I'm gonna insert that into this video, and you guys can check it out and see what you think about that. And I mean, since then I've had some Burger King, and that was possibly an old Burger King cup and not the one I thought it was, because that water was hot. That's really gross. Awkward. So yeah, I'm gonna play this weird video, and then it's gonna end. Okay, go. Well, it's raining, so yeah. Do you want to look at it? This right here, this tornado weather. Yep. Tornado weather. Right over there. Get a little tornado. This is terrifying, because now rain is hitting me in the face as I'm trying to make this video. God, I've been up since 9 a.m. and I went to bed at like 6 a.m. so that's great. And now I get this magical rainy weather, which for me makes me kind of tired and ready to go back to bed. And I'm already tired, so this is like a weird predicament thing that's happening right now, because it's like, oh my god, it's totally raining, it's this perfect sleep weather. But I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to stay awake, because I need to be on a normal sleep schedule. Words of advice to you, Matt Brown. Crazy dicks. It's like already stopped raining now, so it's kind of disappointing, because it was raining and it's kind of slacked off a little bit, but yeah. I'm a weird person on 3 hours of sleep. Yes. Okay. Well, come on! Yeah, so that's what I do when I don't have a good amount of sleep. I'm weird. It's great. Life is great. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna go force myself to stay awake until, I don't know, It's like 6 something p.m. So I guess I'm gonna go to at least midnight possibly or something. I don't know yet. It's really weird. I have not been awake this long, this early in a while. So I've been waking up at like 3 p.m. So 9 a.m. is kind of weird. Yes, it is. It's kind of weird indeed. And yeah. So yeah. I'm almost on a normal schedule, and everything will be okay. Yes, it will. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Bye. Bye. No. Not leaving. Not going anywhere. Just gonna sit there and awkwardly stare at me into my eyes. It's kind of weird. And I mean, hey, teach his own. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Huh. Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. 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 Right. Right. Yeah. 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 Okay. Well, I'm gonna go because I'm clearly still weird. Bye.